Cord. Noun. A long, thin, flexible length of twisted yarns, strands of fiber, rope, for example, such a length of twisted strands considered as a commodity. The burglar tied up the victim with a cord. He looped some cord around his fingers. Cord. Noun. A small flexible electrical conductor composed of wires insulated separately or in bundles and assembled together, usually with an outer cover, the electrical cord of a lamp, sweeper, vacuum cleaner, or other appliance. Cord. Noun. A unit of measurement for firewood, equal to 128 cubic feet 4 and times 8 feet, composed of logs and or split logs 4 feet long and none over 8 inches diameter. It is usually seen as a stack 4 feet high by 8 feet long. Chord. Noun. Musical sense. Chord. Noun. Misspelling of chord, a cross-section measurement of an aircraft wing. Chord. Verb. To furnish with cords. Chord. Verb. To tie or fasten with cords. Chord. Verb. To flatten a book during binding. Chord. Verb. To arrange wood, etc. in a pile for measurement by the cord. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.